Hi everyone, I hope you're all staying safe and healthy while at home, and I'm happy to present you with this craft that can be done in the comfort of your home with only a few materials, which are scissors, a glue stick, paper, and colored pencils, crayons, markers, etc. Also attached is the templates that we're going to be using to make our craft, which are blank for you to color, cut out, and feel free to use. So you can print those out in advance if you'd like. And to show you the craft we will be making, it is Vincent van Gogh's Bedroom in Arles. So this painting by Van Gogh is known as Vincent van Gogh's Bedroom or Bedroom in Arles. Cute little pop-up. Alright, so to get started, once you have your templates, we're going to take a piece of paper, any piece of paper, and you're going to fold it in half, just like that. Make a nice tight crease, fold it in half, and now you have nice two even halves. So the top half is going to act as the wall, and the bottom half is going to act as the floor. So the next step is to color each half. So you want to color the wall, and you want to color the floor. So you can see how I did it in my finished product. I copied the painting exactly, and I did a blue wall with a brown floor. And you can feel free to do the same, or you can color it however you'd like. And also feel free to pause the video and resume when you're ready after you complete each step. So you can see I did mine in advance, so mine's already done. Blue wall, brown floor. So the next step will be to color all of the pieces on the template. So you should have two, and you're going to color all the pieces here, and on the second sheet also with the table and the chair. Just color everything in. Again, feel free to pause the video and resume when you're ready. Then next will be to carefully cut all the pieces out. And you want to be careful to watch for the folds that will be needed to glue down. Do not cut those off. So the ones with the folds are the table, that looks like this. That has a fold, do not cut that off. The front of the bed has a fold, do not cut that off. Same with the actual bed itself, has two folds to glue down. Be careful with those. And lastly, the top of the chair that looks like this also has a fold, which you do not want to cut off. So you're going to carefully cut out all the pieces on the template. Watch for the folds. And once you do that, you can fold the folds in, just like that. Just fold them down. And then we are going to take our template and we're going to lay all the pieces down so you can see how it's all going to fit. So you can see right here, we're going to lay all the pieces down. And from left to right, the order is the table, the chair, the bed, on top, the window, then the picture. So we're going to do just that. Place the back of the table to the left, place the back of the chair next to that, and place the back of the bed next to that. So you can see, you can space them out how you'd like. Then you're going to place the window above the chair and the picture above the bed. All right. So once you have all those down and you like their placement, you can go ahead and glue them down, which I will do here with you. So again, I'm going to go from left to right. Just going to glue the table down. So this time you don't have to pause it because I'll do it here with you. Glue the chair down. Glue the bed down, back of the bed I should say. the window and the picture. All right. So, once you have all of that glued down, here's where it gets a little bit tricky. So, after this, the first step, we are going to take the bed, the actual bed part of the bed with 2 folds, and we are going to glue that to the front of the bed, which is this guy. The glare, it's a little bit funny. So we're going to take the folds, and this is the front of the bed, remember, so it's like that. So you're going to glue the bed to the front part of the bed, or the frame, I should say. So all I'm going to do is put glue just on the fold so it doesn't get too messy. A glue stick is definitely best for this. And I'm going to place the fold right here. And just make sure it's nice and secure. So now we have the mattress part of the bed glued to the front of the bed frame. Then, whoops, I made a little crooked. Just move down a little bit. All right, then we are going to take where the pillows are, that fold, and we're going to glue that fold to the back of the bed. Right about there. So, again, I'm going to put glue just on the fold. And I'm just going to glue it just like that to the bed frame. So now most of your bed is assembled, but we're going to hold off gluing this to this part. Not just yet, we're going to hold off with that. Then we're going to glue the chair to the back of the chair that is already glued on. So you go fold your legs in, make sure your fold is folded in, and again I'm going to put glue on the fold and glue the fold to the chair, just like, oh, that's a little crooked, just like that. So again, glue on the fold, just like that. So I kind of glued it right under the part where you can see through the chair, right under that part. My little chair legs. And then we're going to take the table, fold it like this, so that's the front of your table, the top of your table, and your fold. And again, I'm going to glue the fold to the top of the back of the table, just like that. You want it to line up nicely. So I'm going to place it just like that, glue it right there. Alrighty, and there you go. And last but not least, we're going to fold it up to kind of get it set. And we're just going to glue the last fold of the bed down to the floor. So you can just take your glue, put glue on only the fold, lift it up, and then just glue that down to the floor. And there you go. You have Vincent van Gogh's bedroom in Arles. Oh. There we go. Very nice. I'm happy that you can do this craft in the comfort of your home, and I hope that you enjoy. Thank you.